Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful trick in Smartsheet, how to join multiple ranges from different sheets and collect distinct values, specifically for something like pulling a list of names and emails from various sheets into one central place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to effectively link up these ranges, saving yourself tons of manual copying and pasting. Whether you're managing a big project or just trying to keep your data organized, this skill is a real game changer. So let's dive right in. Alright, let's say you've got two separate sheets in Smartsheet. One has a list of names and the other keeps track of emails. The goal here is to pull both sets of data into a new master sheet, making it super easy to see everything at a glance. Let's start by connecting your name column. Head to the cell where you want your first name to appear. Now this is important. Instead of typing it in, you'll right-click on that cell. Look for the option that says Link from Cell in Other Sheet. When you click this, Smartsheet will prompt you to pick the sheet you want to pull data from. Select the sheet that contains your name list. Once that sheet pops up, just highlight the relevant data. That could be one cell, a whole column, or a specific range of names you need. Then at the bottom right, hit Create Link. You might notice a little symbol showing up in your cell, which means the link is active. What's great about this setup is if anyone adds or updates a name in your original sheet, it'll automatically update in your master sheet too. This saves you from having to chase down the latest version and keeps your data up to date without any extra effort. Now let's repeat the same process for the email column. Go to the cell where you want the email to appear, right-click, and once again select Link from Cell in Other Sheet. Smartsheet will prompt you to choose a sheet. This time, pick the one with your email addresses. Once you're in that sheet, just highlight the emails you want to bring over and then hit Create Link. At this point, you've got two columns in your master sheet, one linked to the names, the other to the emails. It might seem pretty straightforward, but it's incredibly powerful, especially if your data is spread out across multiple sheets and you want to keep everything connected and current in one spot. Don't worry if this part feels a little repetitive. It's just the same steps for as many ranges or columns as you need. Right-click, link, select the range, and create the connection. If you're looking to collect only unique or distinct values, you can use a formula like equals distinct, if your plan supports it, or filter afterward, depending on your version of Smartsheet. Think of the link you've just created as the pipeline. You've now got the flow of data set up, and with a couple of tweaks, you can ensure you only see what you need. A quick note. Sometimes Smartsheet might take a few seconds to sync data, especially with larger ranges or complex sheets. Don't worry if you see a loading message pop up, just give it a moment, and that's really it. With these simple steps, you can join multiple ranges from various Smartsheet sheets and keep your data unified and fresh. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into any snags, and of course, subscribe for more practical Smartsheet tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.